Hey guys, we are over at Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek, which is pretty much probably the closest you can be to Walt Disney World property without actually technically being a Walt Disney World property. This is right between Disney Springs and Port Orleans Resort. So this is a 1-bedroom unit. So this is a timeshare. So you see we have a full kitchen, microwave. Everything is adjusted a little bit because this is a handicap accessible unit. So you see the sink is a little bit different, but we've got the dishwasher, all the cutlery. So you can definitely do a full cook here. And of course, full fridge, full freezer. And you saw the dining room. In the bathroom, we actually have a washer and dryer, which I love staying at a place with a washer and dryer if I'm there for a week or more. Just easier, less packing. Just do some laundry while I'm in the parks. And then, of course, we do have a roll-in shower because, like I said, this is a handicap unit, but it did come with shampoo, conditioner, shower gel, all that good stuff on the wall. Of course, toilet, basic toilet. Then we've got the sink with the mirror, which was great. And again, like I said, this is adjusted a little bit. And then this is actually going into the master. There's actually a separate sink. So it was actually kind of great. I took a sink. I was traveling with my mom. She took a sink. Have the tub. I wish I used this tub because this would have been so fun and relaxing. But that trip, I did not get a chance to use the tub. Again, full-length mirror. And in the bedroom, we're in the middle of unpacking, but this was, I believe, a queen-size bed with a window, closet, dresser, all that. And then living room, that is a pull-out couch, which I slept on, which was actually a decent sleep. So anybody that is needing a pull-out couch, this was actually a good sleep. I've slept in worse pull-out couch situations. And then the view was really nice. We actually were looking at the lazy river, and then there's a lake. And like I said, within 5 minutes, we were in the parks. Less than that, we were in Springs. It is just a perfect location. Everything around this lake is Bonnet Creek. This resort is huge, and if you don't know about it, sometimes you actually miss it. So next time you're looking for a great timeshare for a Disney trip, I highly recommend Club Wyndham Bonnet Creek.